In Hinduism, the temple is known as a mandir. It is a sacred space dedicated to the worship of deities and serves as a focal point for spiritual practice. However, while the mandir holds great significance, Hindus are not required to worship exclusively in a temple. Worship, or puja, can be performed anywhere, including in the home, as Hinduism teaches that the divine is present everywhere. The flexibility in worship allows individuals to maintain their spiritual practices according to their personal circumstances and convenience. Nevertheless, visiting a mandir offers a special communal and spiritual experience, allowing devotees to connect with their faith in a place filled with the presence of the divine. At the heart of the mandir is the garbhagriha, which translates to womb chamber. This is the innermost sanctum of the temple where the murtis, sacred images or statues of the deities, are kept. The garbhagriha is considered the most sacred part of the temple because it is believed to house the divine essence of the deity represented by the murti. The placement of the murtis in this secluded, innermost chamber symbolizes the idea of the divine residing in the deepest, most intimate parts of the universe and the human soul. The garbhagriha is usually small and dimly lit, enhancing the feeling of entering a holy and mysterious space when approaching the deity. Hindus pray in front of the murtis as a way of directly connecting with the divine. The murti serves as a physical representation of a particular deity, allowing worshippers to focus their minds and hearts during puja. While Hindus understand that the murti is not the deity itself but rather a symbolic form, it is treated with great reverence as it embodies the presence of the divine during worship. Devotees offer prayers, flowers, food, and incense to the murtis as expressions of their devotion and love. The act of praying before the murti helps Hindus feel closer to the divine, fostering a deep spiritual connection that transcends the physical representation. In summary, the mandir serves as a sacred space where Hindus can gather to worship, though it is not the only place where worship can occur. The garbhagriha houses the murtis, representing the divine presence, and Hindus pray before these sacred images to connect with their deities. This practice reflects the deep reverence for the divine and the central role of puja in Hindu spiritual life.